Ever wondered how to tap into the cutting edge of AI for your creative projects or everyday tasks? Let's unlock the power of Google's Nano Banana AI. Today, we're diving deep into Nano Banana, Google's innovative platform designed to boost your AI understanding and capabilities. Think of it as your personal AI assistant, ready to amplify your creativity and problem-solving skills. Our journey begins with exploring Nano Banana's core features. This platform offers a suite of powerful AI tools. You can use it to generate compelling written content, assist with complex data analysis, or even brainstorm innovative ideas. The applications are truly vast, whether you're a writer looking for inspiration, a student trying to grasp complex concepts, a developer seeking to streamline coding, or a business aiming for smarter insights. Nano Banana can be your game changer. Let's walk through a basic process first. You'll identify the task you want the AI to assist with next. Provide clear and concise input, guiding Nano Banana towards your desired outcome. Observe the generated output, and don't hesitate to refine your prompts for even better results. To truly leverage Nano Banana, remember a few best practices. Experiment with different prompts to discover its full potential. Understand that AI is a collaborative tool. Your input and direction are crucial for optimal performance, and always review and fact-check the AI-generated content. Nano Banana is more than just a tool. It's an invitation to explore the future of AI, so dive in, experiment, and see how this remarkable platform can enhance your AI understanding and bring your ideas to life. Start your Nano Banana adventure today.